Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the name servers for your Squarespace websites, which is sometimes needed if your connection to a third-party services. So here's how it's done. The first step is to open your domain settings. First of all, log into your Squarespace and go to your site's dashboard. To do so, just type in Squarespace in your search engine right here, and the first website that appears, click on it and enter using your account credentials. Now click on this drop down menu here and select account dashboard, or my mistake, select domains. Now the second step is to access name server settings. Under domains, click on the domain you want to update and look for the option that says name servers or DNS settings, which allows you to change or update your name server. Now I didn't choose a domain, but if you did, you'll have these options right here. And you can do them. Now for the third step is to enter the new name servers. Enter the name server details provided by your domain, host or third-party service. And after entering, save your settings and note that it might take up to 48 hours for these changes to take effect globally. You'll be able to do that once you get a domain. And to get a domain, click on the Get a Domain button right here. You'll be directed to a website where you can search for the domain you want that suits your website. You can select anything. Let's see, Chopin, and search for it. Now, if the search domain you're looking for isn't available, the website will show you some alternatives that might suit you. Here we're gonna see the domains we can use right here, and you'll see the prices. You can select any domain you want and proceed to checkout and proceed to payments, etc., and complete it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name server on Squarespace. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.